All right, guys, we got an extremely small plane flying into DFW. You never see these. It's coming in from Lubbock. And it is going to be windy. I want to say this is a medical flight. Sorry. He's getting some wind. It's pretty cool. You never see planes that small land here at DFW. Well, stick around, wait for another plane, or maybe I'll just make another video. So if you guys want to see some more of these plane videos, you should maybe like, comment, or like, or I don't know, find one of the other ones, because I'm gonna post a few. Anyways, this next plane should be pretty big, so it's going to be cool for you guys to see the comparison of like a big plane versus a small plane. I want to say that last aircraft was called a Beech, like with two E's in the middle. It's like B-E-E-C-H. This next one's probably going to be an American Airlines. I'll shut up so you can hear it. Maybe we walk a little bit over here, get a better angle.